The zhidiloveyou bread pillow is a unique and playful addition to any home or office space, offering a blend of quirky design and practical comfort. This pillow is designed to look like a realistic loaf of bread using advanced 3D high-definition printing technology that captures the golden brown crust, shading, and shape with impressive detail. The result is a stuffed toy that not only serves as a cushion, but also as a conversation starter and a whimsical decorative piece. The lifelike appearance is a standout feature that makes this pillow both amusing and visually appealing. The pillow measures approximately 15.7 inches in length and 8 inches in width, making it a substantial size for a novelty item. However, some users have noted slight discrepancies in size, with the pillow sometimes measuring a bit smaller than advertised. Despite this, the size remains adequate for use as a throw pillow or a plush toy. Constructed with a skin-friendly and breathable cotton fabric on the outside, the pillow's exterior feels soft and comfortable to the touch. Inside, it is filled with high-quality polypropylene cotton that is fluffy, yet firm enough to maintain the pillow's three-dimensional shape. This filling provides a pleasant squishiness that many users find comforting, making it ideal for hugging, lounging, or simply resting against. The fabric and filling combination ensures that the pillow is not only soft but also durable and resistant to deformation over time. The pillow is machine washable, which adds to its practicality and ease of maintenance. One of the most appealing aspects of the zhidiloveyou bread pillow is its versatility. It can be used in various settings such as on a sofa, bed, office chair, or even in a car. Its portability and lightweight design make it easy to move around and place wherever comfort or a touch of humor is needed. The pillow's novelty factor also makes it a great gift choice for children and adults alike. It is especially suitable for occasions like Christmas, birthdays, or themed parties, where its unexpected and amusing design can bring joy and laughter to recipients. Users have shared a range of experiences with this bread pillow. Many praise its softness and realistic design, highlighting how the pillow's texture resembles a plush cloud and how the detailed bread pattern adds to its charm. The pillow's size is often described as perfect for cuddling or as a decorative accent that adds personality to a room. Several users mention that hugging the pillow provides a surprising level of comfort and stress relief, making it a favorite companion for relaxation or leisure activities such as watching TV or napping. On the downside, some users have expressed concerns about the pillow's stuffing. A few reviews mention that the filling can be uneven or balled up, leading to areas that feel hard or insufficiently stuffed. This affects the overall comfort and shape retention of the pillow, making it less satisfying for those expecting a uniformly plush experience. Additionally, there are remarks about the pillow being smaller than anticipated, which has led to some returns. These issues suggest that quality control may vary, and prospective buyers should consider this when purchasing. The packaging of the pillow involves vacuum packing to meet transportation requirements. Upon receiving the product, it is recommended to gently pat the pillow and allow it to rest or be exposed to sunlight for a while to help it regain its original shape and fluffiness. This step is important to ensure the pillow looks and feels as intended after unpacking. Overall, the zhidiloveyou bread pillow stands out as a fun and functional novelty item that combines humor with comfort. It appeals to those who appreciate quirky home decor and enjoy playful tactile objects. While it may not be perfect in the terms of stuffing consistency or exact sizing, its charm, softness, and realistic bread design make it a worthwhile purchase for anyone looking to add a lighthearted touch to their living space. The pillow's ability to serve as both a decorative piece and a cozy cushion makes it a versatile addition to any collection of plush toys or home accessories. If you have this bread pillow or are considering getting one, sharing your experience in the comments can help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. This pillow is a delightful example of how everyday objects can be transformed into amusing and comforting companions, proving that sometimes the simplest ideas, like a loaf of bread, can bring the most unexpected joy.